Hello, boys and girls, welcome back with the third puzzle in this edition of yesterday's newspaper of Saturday, March the 6th, 2021. We have two puzzles left, a tectonic one and a binary one. But first, I will solve this binary puzzle. And this will be number 2, 4, 3, 4. 2, 4, 3, 4. All right. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a column or in a row, there are always 4 O's and 4 ones. All right. So let's get started. Double O, here one, there one. Now we have 4 ones, so the rest are O's. We have here in the first row 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Alright. Double O here, one there, one. Double O here, one there, one. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Double 1 here, and O there, no. Then. Double O here, one there, one. Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 3 ones. If I place number 4 here, then we have 3 O's in a row in this row. Not allow one of the rules, so this cannot be a 1. This should be an O. Alright, 4 O's. So the rest are ones. Double 1 here, no there, no. Double 1 here, no there, no. Then 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. So the rest are O's. Double 1 here, no there, no. We have here 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Alright. We have here 4 ones, so the rest are O's. We have here 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Then 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Alright. I need to compare, I think. Yeah, we need to compare. Ooh, we need to compare. Alright. We have a 101. Yeah. This column and that column. 110011 empty box. 00 empty box. 1100. So we need to switch these two digits. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have a O there, this should be a 1. Alright. Double 1 here, no there, no. Double O here, 1 there, 1. Double 1 here, no there, no. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O here, 1 there, 1. Do we need to compare again? I think so. 010, do we have 010? Yeah. The first column and this column. Alright. 0011 empty box. 11 empty box. 0011. So we need to switch these two digits. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have an O there, this should be a 1. Alright. And then And then, yeah, this row and the last row. All right. 1 1 1 1 0 0 0 0 1 1 empty box 0 0 empty box. So we need to switch these two digits. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have a O there, this should be a 1. Alright. And now, need to compare again. Yeah, it's not finished. 1 2 3 O's. And I know between a 1 and an O with two empty boxes, there's always an O and a 1 there. So this is the first O, the second O, the third O, and the fourth O. So this should be a 1. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 1. So the rest are O's. Double O here, 1 there, 1. We have here 4 1s. So the rest are O's. Alright. Between two O's comes in 1. Double 1 here, no there, no. Finished in 6 minutes. Alright. With a lot of comparing. And I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the last puzzle of this puzzle page in the additional. It will be a tectonic with 1 star. So see you later. Bye bye for now.